Okay, guys, welcome back to Monster Low Tutorial. Today, I went to Walmart. I got my first new unbox for 2024. This is the Mix 35 Son of a Digger, guys. So I have the Ghost one and the Candy one. I have the Avenger already. Monster Mass, Soldier Fortune, Thunder Roars. I have those. I don't unbox those, but I will unbox when I get more. So this is series 35 Son of a Digger. So here we go. But you guys missed this, huh? Here it is. Okay, so the graphics look a bit clear on this one, like really clear. Look at that. I like the blue rims and beadlocks, the purple roll cage, Monster Jam logo with the grill printing, Son of a Digger on top. It looks kind of clear to me, the graphics. The gray bottom, gray little driver inside, the back of the truck. So that's all I got today. And these will come again, guys, the unboxings again. Be on the lookout for that. It's my first unboxing that's brand new, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.